Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common headache for Airtable users: removing duplicates. Whether you're managing a database for your business, projects, or personal tasks, duplicates can clutter your data and lead to errors. In this 2025 update, Airtable has made it even easier to clean up your bases, so let's dive right in. First off, why bother removing duplicates? Well, they can skew your reports, waste storage, and make your workflow inefficient. Luckily, Airtable's latest features make this a breeze. To get started, open your Airtable account and navigate to the base where your data lives. Make sure you're in the grid view for the best experience. Step 1. Head to the Views menu and select Find Duplicates. This smart tool will automatically scan your table for any identical or similar records based on the fields you specify. For example, if you have a contacts table, you might want to check for duplicates in email addresses or names. Once the scan is complete, Airtable will highlight the potential duplicates in a handy list. Next, review the results carefully. Airtable allows you to preview each duplicate pair, so you can decide if they're truly redundant. If they are, simply select the ones you want to remove and click Merge and Delete. In the 2025 version, there's even an option to automatically merge data from duplicates into a single record, saving you tons of time. After you've cleaned up, double-check your table to ensure everything looks good. And remember, always back up your base before making bulk changes, just in case. There you have it, folks. Removing duplicates in Airtable is straightforward and keeps your data sharp. If you're new to Airtable or want more tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.